Narrow hem lower edge of garment, folding in corners where appropriate. A narrow hem will give the shirt a professionally finished look. Press up hem allowance on area mentioned in the sewing directions. To form narrow hem, tuck under raw edge to meet crease and press. Then stitch hem in place 1/4 inch from the edge. Trimming each side seam allowance will enable the narrow hem to lay flat with less bulk. This project allows for a 5/8 inch hem. Use a seam gauge set to 5/8 of an inch to help you achieve an accurate hem. Start pinning at a seam allowance, first folding and measuring at 5/8 of an inch, then securing with a pin. When you reach a point, it is helpful to use the iron as you pin to set the point before moving on to the rest of the hem. It may also help to move towards the point rather than beginning at the point when making the corner. Securely pressing to set the crease of the first fold will help as you turn the second fold of the narrow hem. Unfold the first fold of the narrow hem. Fold the raw edge to the crease, then refold the first fold, effectively hiding the raw edge in the crease. Placing pins on an angle along the narrow hem will help to hold the narrow hem securely in place as you work. When you reach a point, it is helpful to use the iron as you pin to set the point before moving on to the rest of the hem. Sew the hem in place roughly 1/4 inch from the folded edge. You can use either the stitch length 3 setting, stretching as you go, or the stitch length stretch setting. As you reach a point in the hem, be sure to sew slowly, aligning fabric as needed. Hand wheel to the point and pivot so that you will be back on the 1/4 inch line for the new side. Press the narrow hem along the lower edge to set the crease. Press the whole garment on the appropriate heat setting after you have finished. Congratulations on finishing this challenging project.